Good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is March 25th, 2024, and it's a Monday. So the very first trading day of this week, and this week we have full 5 trading day. We have a little bit low impact or medium impact news. It did come out at 8:30 and 10 today. Excuses. And we have a little bit new tomorrow also. But maybe the high impact news or medium impact news come out this Thursday, which is the GDP data. Indicator indicating how the economy doing, how fast it's growing, how slow it's slowing down. And also we have a jobless claim. Also, pending home sale index, consumer sentiment, they're all low and medium impact news. By the way, we are in the week 13, which is the last week at this quarter. And also we are the last month of this month, March, and we have end of month option expiration, and also end of quarter, in March. So it's huge right there. For CBI, we don't have anything until next month, April 10. FOMC we just have last week, so we don't have anything until April. Alright, look at the ICT profile to see if we see anything here today. It's just Monday, so it's very hard to go to see if it matches any model. We have to wait for more data coming at least Thursday. But today the action is kind of a little bit tricky. But anyway, when it opened today, we saw it's a void opening range gap down. So we're thinking about applying this model, but at 9:30 we see it's not a swing low at all. So also the open at 9:30 is already below the previous day low. So this model is not work neither. So it's the condition does not meet, or did not meet at all. Let's see. So where we are right now. Okay. So right here is also a 5-minute time frame, but we are just use the regular trailing hour. So basically you have a gap and it try to fill partial of the gap, not completely the gap. Right there, excuses. And at 40 we start see the sell off, and it pull back a little bit, and then it sell up right here. Start at exactly 15 the last hour right there. We did take a short trade right here on this candle, but we get out of this candle. Basically early exits. Actually our target is right here, but we got greedy and slow to exit, so we stop, and then when it pull back a little bit here, we get out. But you see it's very tricky right here. If we stay in the trade, we had a huge move right here. We anticipate we're gonna test outlet level, and exactly he did, but we have sit through this, which is very brutal pullback right there. You see the whole high wick right there. So if we're not careful, we get stop out and we end up losing right there. So this is very tricky trade. See the heel right there. So for the novice trader like us, we easily get shake out right there. But maybe for a experienced trader, they will stay in this trade. as long as the thesis is still valid, which is they come down here is the breakdown level, so push stop loss up here is still valid. So that is one of the psychological skill set that we need to acquire, we need to possess, and it takes practice and it takes time, and we know it, and we're working on it. So basically today is very tricky. It's Monday, which is totally expected. It's strange right there. Open at 9:30, it's open and close just like that right there, open and close. We're gonna retest the open at 9:30 exactly, and the move start at exactly 15 hour, and it'll give a little bit clue right here, and right here is just a manipulation before it distribution down. When we first approach today, for some reason we take a lot of short right here. We have a long trade right here. We're looking for, we put in our note right here. So basically we want to watch for the reversal at 9:40, 9:45, and it did happen today, but we're not quick enough to catch that right here. You see at 45, this is the manipulation move and then a reversal. I think let's show the trade we took. So basically we take a good amount of trade, for lack of a better word. So we take 1 trade, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 long trade, and we take maybe 10 short trade. But for short trade we cannot short them directly because the account we have, they don't allow us to short the stock directly. So we have to use option. In this case we use option really, we take a bunch of them, I think at least 10. So total we take about 20 trade, which is too much. But anyway, we are still working on our imports right there. We need to reduce number of trade, wait for a quality setup. But anyway, we end up for a long, we end up almost break even. For the short, we end up losing. So we need to work on that. But we should not concern too much about the losing or winning right now. We're just working on our entry and exits. Forget about the P&L for now. So the idea is right here. We go along. The first time, So when we see right here, we thought at 10 it will be reversal. So right here at 9:45 we thought it's gonna reversal, and then 10 it's gonna sell out. So that's why we do short here. We do short at this. And then the short fell, then we go long right there. Go long when it break out this level right here. And it carried it to X63 right here. Actually we target right here, but we kind of a little bit rattled, so we just going to check early exit before we hit our target. We target actually put target right there. But that is one of the things we need to learn. We need to practice more. Just stay with the trade until his targets. But we move our stop loss too soon, so that's why we got stop out. Alright, it's just a quick scalping. It's not really, we don't see any real setup at all. we see right here a little bit set up bearish breaker, fair gap retest. We short them right here, we short them, but we exit for a break even around here, and we try to go along here. Let's take some more screenshots. Not so trade right now. We have hard to see. Let's see the screenshot we have. 45. Yeah, around 45. We missed that trade, but the idea is right there. We watch for 945 reversal, and it take out exactly the buy sell liquidity right there. Yeah, it double 1 to 4 ratio right there. Basically, as soon as we saw a rejection at 940, come in, we put in a buy stop at this level. It's gonna be a 4 breakout level right there at 519.73. That's a good risk to reward ratio. I think let's see if we did take, we go in a little bit late. Yeah, we don't go in. Did we? Okay, let's move this out of the way because this one is including the, not including the pre-market. It's just for the regular, but this one do include. Yeah, so we missed the trade right here. We go late in here, but we still get out with the profits right here. We target 63. Yeah, we move stop loss a little bit right here when we get this a little bit scary. So we get up here 62. Yeah, we put the stop loss just right there. But if we don't move the stop loss too tight, then we can hit this target. We did put the target right here because it's the bearish break of fabric up right here, huge, actually the volume up right there, and we know that you're gonna retest that level. Yeah, we go a little bit late, but we catch the little bit move right there. And we do a little bit, scarfing, like we say earlier. We don't see any real setup, so a little bit tricky to trade on Monday because Monday is the opening day of the week. It's always consolidate. We know that when we go into today, but we did improve our urge to trade. I think we over trade today too much, but it's a lesson learned for us. So tomorrow we do better. Let's disable for now. Yeah, we saw the setup around here also. We chase right here. We see it's opening up, but like we say earlier, I think we go in right here 11.55. One of the trade we take 11.55. Where is 11.55? Okay, right here. We buy it. Yeah, we make a little bit of profit right here. 12. Yeah, when this candle we know that it's gonna hit this 18. We go in here and we target here, but we get out late. Look at here's little bit right. We go in right here 11.57, and then we exit at 12.11. So let's see, 12.11, which is or the close around this level. Yeah, so we're going right here. When we see it break down this bearish breaker, we know it's a huge Dow candle, but somehow it's got push it up, back up. So as soon as we see rejection and break down this bearish, the close of this bearish candle, we short them again. And our target is exactly hit right here, but we cannot get out quick enough. And that is one of the tricky when we trade option. You know, if we trade stock, then it's easy to put a target because you have a drag drop. But with option, we don't. We have to use mental target and mental stop loss right there. So we have to pay attention as soon as it hit the level. We have to pull the trigger. So a little bit tricky, but we'll find a way to work around that. It will be non-issue for us. It take maybe a while to get usage, but we have to find a way to work around what we have. So that's the nature of the game. We cannot complain. We cannot blame on the environment. We have to take our own responsibility. In order to success, we have to do what we need to do and treat this as a business. No emotion attacks. You don't wish to frustration or anything like that. Alright, we get that out of the way. Yeah, we short there and we short right here also. One of the other trade we short right here. And then we get out right here. And one of the things that we look right here, I think we short a little bit too soon right here. We got a lot of top out right here because we look at the model that ICT give to us. It's about the swing at right here. This is the model we try to apply for today, and it's kind of successful, but it's kind of not what we expect, and it's totally understand because it's the first time we practice this model. The other day we saw this model play out, and today is the first time we practice them. At least it come to our mind, so that's a good thing that it start working at our subconscious level right there. So basically we mark the high and low for the lunch, which is from 12 to 1:30, and watch out for the swing. Take out the buy side and then it reverse to the low. Oh yeah, you see it revert to the low. Right here before it revert to the low, it have another pullback, very brutal right here. And it take down the low, exactly. In this case, it go down to this level that we marked right there. It's a bearish breaker. And this is a breakout level right there. Yeah, so we go in right here. A candle exactly at this time. Yeah, and today we are very good at pay attention around our time. Right around here, our time. Yeah, around our time right there. So this is 15, a candle 15. So where is our 15? Right here. Yes, so 15, 47, 15 right there. We go in and then we exit right there at just around 10 minutes later. So basically we go in right here and we exit right here. Our target is right here, but like we say earlier, the same idea right here. when it retests its level, we're supposed to right here is that level, and we am right here, but we a little bit late to exit, so it pulled back, so we get it out this one. Yeah, we know that it's gonna retest this, but for the novice, for us sit through this pullback and give back the gains, the gain we have is kind of mentally we're not prepared for that, so somehow we have to train ourselves to do that. We have to sit through this, giving back in order to get a bigger gain, because that's the whole idea right there. Let the winner run and cut the loss, cut the loser. So far we're good at cut the loser, but we're not good at let the winner run. So it's two parts of the equation for successful trading. Cut the loser short, and then let the winner win, and let the winner run. And I think we just profitable trading. It's just a two-step equation. Cut the loser trade short, and then let the winner run. So we just do the very first step of the equation. We go short. Next time we need to let the winner run. That's it. We have to. Even though we give back the win, we have to, because that's in the long run. It will cover for us, because we want the risk ratio to be positive, or we want the expectancy is positive, and the expectancy is the difference between the winner and the loser. Yep, we want like positive. But anyway, we will get there. Yeah, so we have to do with the huge cash right there. We should have the huge winner, but a little bit tricky if we trade with a short directly stop. It's easy to manage the stop loss and target, but when you do with the option, it's extremely hard, but it's not possible. We're still working on that, so we just work what we have. Yes, so basically we when it sees breakdown, we right here, and we just push stop loss right here. Can you believe that? It's just 7 cents. Oh man, why are we so scared? Why are we so unsettled and get out early and leave lots of money on the table? So at least it's gonna test this breakout level again, or point of interest for that matter. And you see that 7-10 is more. It's like 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. Man, we just sit through this. Come on. We do better than that. This is a signal that it's gonna go short right there. So it's a bearish breaker, and this bearish breaker still validate. This move have been invalidated. If it move here above here, then it invalidate this bearish breaker, but it's not. And like we say earlier, we can check this at a dealing range, and if we are bearish, then as soon as this below 50% candle, we can short them. But in this case, we have a very good level to do the entry right there. So right here we do this setup. And it's just a symbol. I think this candle also, and the time is alignment. I think candle maybe proportion block something. It could be, but let's keep it simple. It's just a 4 breakout. And it's a short setup. And the time is alignment. Exactly the last hour is thought 15 hour. So we have a time alignment. Alignment, which is 15 hour right there, and we put a sell stop at the level 520.76. That's the level we put in there. And the entry time for us is beautiful at exactly 15:30 right there. And risk reward ratio is 1 to 10. Can you believe that? We should sit in a trade longer. We do very good at cut the loser source, but the next challenge for us, or the next error in our trading we need to improve, is let the winner run. That's it. If we can manage this and improve it, then we are on our way to become a profitable trader right there. So this stuff is much easier said than done. And we accept that, and we give our room to improve, give our room to make an error or get a failure. So we should not discourage ourselves when we fail or make an error. We have to embrace it because we know that part of the process. Alright, so that's enough for those areas that we need to improve. Alright, let's see. Beautiful right here, and we target right here at this breakout level. Okay, hold on, we need to let's get out of this because we want to see the level. Okay, we want to see the level. Yes, that's the whole idea. We want to see the level right here. Yeah, take the screenshot again. Yep, so this time the accumulate sell-side liquidity, you see how beautiful it accumulate exactly the Judah swing from run half an hour. Yeah, exactly the ICT model right there. Beautiful. So basically we have, and this is ICT Judah swing at 13:30, which is 1:30 p.m. I think we do have that setup that we pull out from our journal. We did our setup the other day. Yep, it's so beautiful. What's up with this one? Hold on. What's up with this one? We don't win. We don't want that to be out there. Yep. Yeah, we don't want too crowded. Have some light purple pop up. Oh, it's right here. And it's right here. We can push something right here to make a little it clear a lot of liquidity. It not only clear the runtime, but it's also clear liquidity for Q3, Q4. Clearing the buy side liquidity. Yes. That's the setup we have. We enter right, but like we say earlier, we didn't stay in the trade long enough because it's just an experience right there. It's just the psychological challenge that we need to working on, because we don't have a stomach to sit through the retracement, so we just exit. Too much for us to handle. But like we say earlier, we need to improve our let the runner win, let the winner run. Right there. Alright, let's save it for now. So basically it's a for breakout. So setup, and it's a ICE city user swing at 130 right there, 130. And today is March 25th, 2020, and it's a Monday. Put it with timestamp right here. Let's see that model again. Here's the ICT model. I think model 311 right there. Look for the Euro swing. Show it perfectly on Monday. Look at that on Monday. I think we do have some of that likely. Let me shut our. I think it happened. Yes, we did have this also. Right here, we did have a beautiful right here. Euro swing, you see that at man, it happened every day. You see that? It did break the lunch time right there. Not only the lunch time, but for the Q4 and Q3, it rate does buy side query, and then it pull back, create a setup for to go in. It can be a auto block, fellow gap, and need the retest, and entry is gonna be 1430. So let's see how it's play out for today. So okay. So the run for today is almost an hour. But for the run for this is only 30 minutes or so, but it retests again. So the best entry is 1430. But for today, 1440. Yes, exactly. You see that? Oh man, 1440 starts out again, and then entry 20 minutes later is 1500. That's the last hour. It's not exactly, but we can see the deviation from the setup. So sometimes it's run the whole. Yeah, the same idea right here. Man, it's very brutal. you have to switch through the pullback exactly today. Man, it's so all the way up to the bearish breaker right here. It's similar today before it can give you the target right here. No, actually this one is much easier to give it a target, but if you fail to exit, then you have to switch through this. But the model still play out good, and algo run exactly. You see through that. It retest exactly, the bearish breaker right here. That break it retest that breaker. You see how accurate it is? Exactly. The last breaker, bearish breaker, it retest exactly at that level. Man, so accurate. So today the same model right there, and it retests this bearish breaker. Wow, that's amazing. Alright, that is I think we can wrap up right here. Before we wrap up, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Here's our 1 hour time frame. So basically, where do we get this this come from? Is it from our time frame? Okay, basically that's it from here, from 1 hour time frame. Basically, it is the fair value gap right here. That's the gap. It break down this level with the gap. Okay, so it's break this level with the gap, and it break down that level again with the gap. So gap down and gap up. That's maybe where the fall breakout happened, or the total stop happened right now. But this is the mark, the fair value gap right here. So it's this step into this fair value gap and hit this critical upon a entry level, and it's boom. It's it is rally, or it's pull back again, and it hits another resistance level or another liquidity level right there, which is in this case it's an auto block. You see that fair value gap right there, and then it's coming out. So let's see how tomorrow we handle this level and this level. Let's remove some of this for now. Yeah, look much better now. We can see the idea. We get a little bit confused and disoriented around here. So basically for this level, it's breakdown with a gap, and then it move up, break up with no gap at all. Let's see how it play out tomorrow. Yeah, let's remove this also. Okay, so now we look at the weekly. Let's see. So basically, it opened below this candle. The last week, it opened below. It retested a little bit, but it never reached to the close. So it can be a very bearish signal right there. But we're not there yet. So as soon as we want it to break out that level, then we're gonna short them. We wanna watch carefully this level this week, because if we look at this chart, we see this level as a fall breakout, and this guy gonna be a last bullish breaker. As soon as this level breakdown, and this is gonna become a order block. So whoever maybe smart money people or market maker, they put all their sell order in here to match this upclose candles right there. And this is the key level we need to watch for this week. If it break down, then it's gonna come down. Well, if we look at the chart, you see it goes straight up. It break out level, and this the last level is breakout, and this can be a last bullish breaker. If it violate or invalidate this level, and for sure if it go down here close below this open the candle, then it's invalidate this candle, and this candle can become an order block right there, and sure we can go for a short right there. Alright, I think that's it for today. Thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, then success coming to our way. Have a great weekend. Have a great evening. Talk to you later. Bye for now.